What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today Chad and I are going to be going around this one-of-a-kind 1955 Ford pickup. And this is kind of a pro street truck, wouldn't you say, Dad?
Yeah, I'd definitely say kind of an old school pro street. Yeah, just super sweet. It's got a tubbed and narrowed rear end. I mean, this thing is just, we've had a lot of people just kind of walk through and look at our inventory the last couple of weeks, and this one's just kind of been sitting around and in the shop getting checked over and ready for the website, and it has gotten so much attention.
Yeah, just a neat truck with a lot of different cool little...
Nostalgia.
Yeah,
I like nostalgia.
I like that.
So what do we want to point out first, Steve?
First, we got the flying lady on the front. Definitely kind of a nostalgic upgrade there.
She comes off pretty easy too if you decide you don't want her on there. Just a nice little bracket.
I like her on there though.
It has the upgraded headlights on it, guys. And as long as we're waiting for Dalton to open the hood, the front bumper's been all completely re-chromed. Brand new chrome under the flying lady on the grill. And just a gorgeous job on this paint job. I mean, it's just kind of a dark raspberry red. And really an absolutely show quality build.
Yeah, it is. Older build, but still looks fresh.
Oh, it's gorgeous. As we open the hood here, we got a polished aluminum radiator. I love what they did with the inside inner fenders on this. They covered everything with the, I'd call it what, kind of a brushed aluminum?
Yeah, brushed aluminum, and it looks awesome.
Fake chrome, whatever you want to call it. It's got a big Holley 4-barrel on it. Does have headers, and it does have air conditioning, Dalton, which is really cool.
Yeah, it is. I mean, definitely was not expecting air conditioning when I opened the hood on this.
Yeah, and a stroker motor. This thing doesn't just look badass, it runs hard, and it's fast.
Yeah, it does.
Well, so many of these are just kind of fakes, you know what I mean? They tub them and
make
all
them
this
look like
stuff.
they're fast, but they're not
Exactly.
really.
You want to go ahead, as long as we have the hood open, you want to go ahead and just fire this beast up. We just brought it in from outside. I just took all our pictures, so that was about as cold a start as you're going to get with it. And this thing sat outside, unfortunately, over the night, waiting to get into detail the other day. And Jay told me he hit the gas twice and fired it up, and it is 20 below last night. So this thing fired up at 20 below this morning, hit the gas twice, fired it up outside. It's a really good, dependable hot rod, too.
Yeah. It's pretty impressive.
Can't say that about too many.
This is probably my favorite thing about the truck is under the hood and that brushed aluminum. It's just cool.
It is cool. My favorite thing is the tubbed and also when we get to the interior.
Yeah.
So like I said, this thing's got so many cool touches, guys. Just a one-of-a-kind pro street truck. Great front end, great body lines. Again, you have to kind of see the paint in person. It's just got a really nice metallic to it. Very, very nice. When you look inside one, does this still have the working vent? You know, kind of has a, is there a lever down there? A lot of times there's a big lever. Oh yeah, cool. So that's that works great. Opens up nice, there you go, a little more. And it's all sealed and stuff, guys, so a little buffing compound around it. I like that they left that, that's cool. Now, front disc brakes. Frame's been all painted, blasted, painted. Inner fenders are all painted body color as well. Very nicely done. Again, paint is a little older, but guys, it is a show car. It is, show truck.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, you can take this to any show and be super proud of it. I mean, the paint job's awesome. I'm going to say it's super equivalent to that 58 Chevy that we have as far as paint. You know, just as nice as that.
Yeah.
So we got two really cool red trucks. This is a really cool build. It's got the exhaust coming out the side a little bit here. Not loud, not goofy or rattly. They did a nice job there. Again, the paint job is excellent. All new glass, all new seals around the glass. They went ahead and kind of went with a darker wood in it with the brushed aluminum strips, which kind of go right along with the brushed aluminum under the hood. You can see they had to make their inner tubs here, the inners, all steel.
Those are some meats on the back.
They're super sick. I'm going to go ahead and go right to them, guys, because I mean, I just love the meats on here.
I think this thing's got line lock too.
I think it does too.
Yeah.
It's got a little push button on the shifter. We're going to show you that. But like I said, I want to get this thing. I mean, if we still have this in a month and a half, 2 months, man, we're going to line this thing up with a muscle car, dude. We're going to haul ass and race.
That'd be pretty fun. I'll take the GTO.
All right, cool. Let's do it. I want this front end to kind of come off the ground a little bit, and those back tires just hook up and go.
Think it will?
I think so.
Should we put some wheelie bars on the back first?
I don't think it needs it. It's got some cool suspension. So if this thing's around in a month and a half, guys, you're going to see me in Dalton drag race right in front of the dealership again. You know, I'm going to challenge him with this 347 stroker. All right, so get back to it. The back bumper chrome is perfect. The paint on the back here on the tailgate is really nice. As we look up and down the sides, these trucks were meant to be used as trucks. So a lot of times they'll restore them, but you're still going to see a crap load of dents and dings. This one's super straight on both sides. Here on the inners too. I mean, they just did a show quality job on the whole build. I like what they did with the tail lights here. All new tail lights, new brackets. The wheels are definitely old school. If this was my truck, I'd keep the same setup, but I would put a little bigger tire on the front with like some torque thrust and some torque thrust big ass meats on here.
I don't know.
But that's my style.
Well, I think that's kind of what I thought too right away. But just the way this truck's set up and the nostalgia,
Yeah,
you know,
the
that it's
theme,
got,
yeah.
it really fits.
Yeah, it does. It does. You're right. Here's the steps, guys. The steps, absolutely mint. Look at the paint quality on the steps. So many times, this is where you get in and out. This is where they're all dinged up and crap, usually, and this is perfect. As we go here under the bottom of the door, a lot of our problem areas come in these cab corners right here. Check that out. Our door fit is awesome too. Look at that, dog. How many of these fit like that?
Not too many.
I don't think so either. So here's another thing. So this is cool. The old truck driver shifters is awesome,
I love that.
man. You lightly hit down on it a little bit, guys. That's how you shift it.
It's probably one of my, it's so fun to drive.
We're thinking this is the line lock here. We'll find out in our drag race here in about 2 months.
Brett, check.
Bottom of the headliner, beautifully done, all super tight, and it matches kind of, I'm going to call it the Texas interior.
Yeah, I like that. Kind of truck driver interior.
Yeah, the Texas, man, the Texan. I like it. Seriously, the back. No, it's cool, man.
No,
That's
I
what it
know,
reminds
it
me.
is.
Look at this. I mean, this is not a cheap job, guys. There's no shortcuts here. You want to hop in behind the wheel, D? I'm going to pick on you a little bit just to see how much room we got.
Texas seats.
The big Texan wannabe. Look at that.
They're pretty good, really. Plenty of headroom.
Leg room.
I love this shifter.
It's just cool, man.
Probably one of my favorite
It's
vehicles
really
to drive
cool.
because of that.
Anyway, guys, you're going to love this truck. I mean, if you're looking for a pickup, you're going to love it. So I do know we did take it out for a short cruise the other day. The gas gauge works. The temp gauge is not working right now. And the, oh, we got a horn button over there. So it does have a horn. Let me check the wipers and see if they work at all.
Kind of want to start it up again.
Electric wipers. That's cool.
Yep,
Somebody converted them over. I've seen these in some other 55 Fords. I don't know what the hell they're for.
They're for stoplights.
What do you mean?
Pretty sure they're for, like, if you're on a stoplight, it's up here. You can't see, because these had that sun visor.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
And I think they put that on there because
I think you might be right. Guys, if you know anything about them, let us know, all right? Go ahead and turn the key on again, will you? There's your heat and air, guys. Okay. I don't know what the hell this is.
That's no shit bar.
Is it? Oh my God, here we go. We're front end's up in the air. That's gonna be kind of fun though.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
All right. Oh, that's cool. I like that. So the temp gauge don't work, but you know what? And I like that it's hidden in here. Seriously, you can drop it down. You can see where you're at, but it's not an eyesore on this beautiful dash, right?
Yeah. Hell, even like down to the steering wheel.
What the heck? What is all that? That's pretty
like a
cool.
data tag.
It is a data tag, but I don't even know these things ever had that like that. 392. That's pretty cool.
It is.
So it's got the data tag in there, air conditioning.
The other thing I was going to point out, it's got the custom steering wheel, which again fits the truck, and it matches it's the same grain as that. It's kind of a neat detail.
I love it. But the main thing is legroom. What's your feet like on there? And here's another thing. Look where his foot is. And I'm going to mention this because so many trucks, this pedal is so dang close to you can't use them both, right? So you're hitting the brake, and you're hitting the brake and you're hitting the foot feet at the same time. This one's not like that. They did a great job. They This is a custom one that's bent way over here, so your foot feet's here, your brake's right over there. It's not in the way. You don't have to try to go around this steering column to get to it.
That's a great point. A lot of those, it's like...
People don't even think of that. I mean, these trucks are cool, but shit, half of them you can't even drive.
I know.
Your head don't fit in, your back don't fit in, your belly don't go into the steering wheel. This one's awesome.
It is, yeah.
So, not very well designed. As far as the paint goes and the jams, guys, excellent paint there. The carpet's nice. All right, Nostalgic Texan.
I like it.
You want to fire up one more time?
Yeah, I'd love to.
Yeah, it sounds great. Huh?
Yeah, it does.
So much for a sleeper. I don't think this is a sleeper.
No.
Anyway, guys, check this thing out. Got tons of undercarriage pictures on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Like us on Facebook. Follow our YouTube channel.
And don't buy it just yet. Let us have it in spring so we can race it.
We'll do it. If it's still here, we're going to do it. We're definitely going to check it out, man.
All right, Coyote Classics. Thanks for watching.